Alright, this is going to be part 2 of the Civic build. And today, we're going to be doing the gauge cluster because, as you know, the mileage for how many miles you go for the gas reset doesn't work. So therefore, I got another one from the junkyard. I'm gonna have to match the miles to my car. It should be that bad. I'm also gonna replace the lens, the cover. This is just disgusting and all dirty. We're gonna be doing that, and we're gonna be fixing the cluster lights. And I got some 50/50 tails from the yard as well. And they're kind of just temporary, but one's black, one's white. Pretty sure this is just like a eBay one or whatever. But that being said, we're gonna get into that. I'm not gonna be showing how to reset the mileage for legal purposes. But yeah, we're gonna start by getting this out. And let me grab some tools and I'll be back. Firstly, all we're gonna need is a screwdriver, and I believe it's just like a Phillips head. I think it's probably this one right here. So I can even get it out without hurting myself too much. These shits are a pain in the ass to even get out of the damn thing. There we go. Alright. So Phillips head. There's gonna be bolt there. There's the damn sun. Bolt there. Well, screw there and there. Let me grab the keys so I can rotate the steering wheel around. There we go. And yeah, so we're gonna start off by taking that out. So my screwdriver, it's a pretty long screwdriver, but I will need that eventually. But let's see, I have a 6.5 millimeter socket, and apparently I am missing some tools. I think they might be in the Camry. Go check it out. But I do got stuff I gotta do to this thing as well. Here it is. So I got a new trunk for the Camry sitting back there. And yeah, not my fault, but yeah, I gotta do that. I also gotta do transmission filter and change the fluid on it. Probably do something about that. But yeah, I went to the junkyard to get all this other stuff, including that trunk. And I didn't record it because, one, it was raining, it was, wet and terrible. I did not want to pull my phone out and record for that. So, alright. So pretty much, let me get this bezel out, and then we'll go to this. Alright, so now this is the cover. Now it looks like this. And also, I want to replace this. Maybe this is the cause of the dash light's not working. There's some extras of these in here. Like, I think there's one on the door. There's this one, tan interior one. And then there's one right here. Still a different color, but it'll do. If one of these have to work, I don't even know which one. I'm probably gonna try this one first and see. But yeah. Now we got this bolt here, this bolt there, and this one. Wait, there it is, right there. One down there. So 4 bolts. And then also to pop this out, well, since I already have this out, probably easier to push it from the back side. Maybe, yep. There you go. So then that just slides out, so do that as well. So let me get this out and we'll go from there. All right, easy enough. A few plugs. You only got 4. Comes right out. That is the gauge cluster. So I got to take this cover off, and then we're gonna change the mileage on that. Or yeah, let's do that. I'll say, or I could take that speedometer out and put it in this one. But I think I'm just gonna swap the lens, dial this one back down, and be good to go for that. And then I gotta place this with that one, and it should be all set. I'll plug everything back in. So this is very easy. It is just a plug on the back side. So let me do that. Let's see. Can't even do it one-handed. Maybe, maybe not. No, probably not. All right, so I gotta do that. And oops, oh well. I gotta clean the car anyway, so I'll throw it down there. So we're gonna do that, do this, and do that, and put everything back together in the big gauge cluster, and then we'll go do the tail lights, and that should be it. So I'll be back once I finish with all of this. All right, so I got the cluster back in. So, and the switch. So what I ended up doing was, instead of replacing the whole cluster, so we got this actually has a shift light, and so I replaced just this, just the speedometer part itself. So that's been replaced. We're gonna try set this back here. We're gonna start up and go for a little quick drive. Let's see. Okay. So far, so good. Damn, why is that light just killing my, let's see. Yep, there's the lights. As you can see. All the lights are lighting up. So we're good on that. That's just a brake light. There we go. And yeah, so we're gonna wait for it to warm up a little bit, and we'll go for a quick drive. So before I begin the drive, I got some other things I need to do as well. I do have valve cover gaskets, and also got an ignition switch, which I will be replacing the ignition switch to get rid of this button, push start button, because I don't mind it, but I want to make sure there's no issues, because these things could possibly cause issues, and I don't want to have the issues and be stranded anywhere. But I do have the valve cover gasket, which I will be doing for that later on. So, and the taillights, I decided I'm gonna wait until I find another black housing light for the right side. That way I know that everything's good and doesn't look like shit. So beginning the drive, I know I'm gonna be driving one-handed a little bit. See, get the gauge working. Everything's good. Everything seems to be good. See any issues? And the temperature's going up. cluster. I know I didn't roll it back yet, but there's the shift light. That's the shift light I was talking about. I know I didn't roll back the cluster at all. I'm not really too worried about it. I got pictures of the old cluster and this one, so I know where the miles are on both of them. I mean, I'm not gonna sell the car, so that shouldn't really make too big of a difference since I'm not planning on selling it. I know I'm shaky like hell, but hey, right, I'm recording, so around this corner. Just doing a quick little drive around the neighborhood just to make sure everything's good. Get up to speed a little bit. Oh, there goes that bump. I hate that bumps. I hate how clinky and fucking this rear suspension is just it's so bad. So bad. Yeah, it's so I realized the video ended by accident. I accidentally pressed the button. But like I said, I got more videos to come. I have stuff to do for the Camry. Got more stuff for this thing. So hopefully I can get save up some money, get the fourth wheel, get some tires going for it. My hair's just whatever. And then yeah, we'll be doing that, and also gonna be getting coilovers all the way around. Might do some like Skunk 2s or True Hearts. Not sure yet, but we'll see from there. And stay tuned.